Hi, I'm Kriti. I am a lawyer by profession and I've been suffering of irritable bowel syndrome since the past 10 years. The last 10 years have been quite a struggle for me. Gut health is essentially the basis for nutrient absorption, and so in my case, with IBS, I became anemic, and it impacted my energy levels, my physical and mental capabilities. It came to a point where I had to take a health sabbatical to fully dedicate myself in understanding and managing it. So my interactions with Geeta actually helped me uh, in the following aspect. First was food category and understanding FODMAP content. So there are some favorable foods like fermented food, pickles, and probiotics that can lower your gut symptoms and help you, give relief from bloating and distension. Uh, Not only it gives you relief from all these symptoms, but it also ensures that you have a balanced diet which is better at absorbing nutrients. It reduced the risk of uh, upper respiratory infections. It helped better my immunity. The second thing that helped me was managing my deficiency. As I mentioned earlier, I was anemic to the point that I could not walk 50 meters without feeling supremely fatigued, and so addressing nutrient deficiency became critical for me. Now in IBS, the one thing that gets a little tricky is that not all medicines and supplements are compatible with your gut. And hats off to Geeta for finding the right combination for me, which worked uh, wonderfully in my case and helped me retain the nutrition that my body required, and in turn improve the energy levels, which encouraged me to go back to leading an active life again. The third thing that really helped me was food journaling, and scrutinizing my everyday food consumption patterns. It made a huge difference to me in understanding how my body overall and my gut specifically reacted to the food that I was consuming. Every meal that I had a different impact on my gut. uh, so with the help of elimination diet and and food journaling, both together helped me understand my gut in a very nuanced way. For example, I understood that I had to time my meals within 3 hour difference. Anything within 2 hours would give me bloating. And the fourth thing that really helped me was that was travel. I struggled during travel because it it becomes all the more difficult to fetch food which is actually favorable. And so basic things like having only cooked food, having food which is hygienic, can be pivotal. It reduces the risk of gut infections. And Geeta gave me such a holistic plan that kind of helped me deal with IBS. Of course, it's a work in progress, and there are days that I do struggle. But today, I have partially returned to an active life, by following all these points. So, thanks for listening to me, and take care.